So to start with, we'll come to here to the left-hand side and click this Coursework and Videos tab. And then, of course, we're starting in Unit 1. So I'll click that. The first thing here is a schedule. And this is going to give you day by day what I think you should be doing so that you're ready for the exam on this last day that's shown here on your schedule. Your schedule might not match, so please use the one that's in your Blackboard, not the one that's on this video. To print your schedule, you can just click here. It'll bring it up into a new page, and then you can click on the print icon and have it sent to your printer. It'll probably print in black and white unless you happen to have a color printer. And then coming back, once I get the schedule printed, I would keep that near where you work on your Math 113 and then mark off on it as you finish assignments so that you know where you are at any time. And then if you scroll down a little further beyond the calendar, you'll see Chapter 4 Assignments and Videos. And click on that because we're starting with Chapter 4. And this first tab is giving you the Chapter 4 video guides. And again, if I click on this, it'll open it in a new page for me, and I can just do a print. And then that's going to give you what I'm working on in all the videos for this chapter. And you can print it one time. I would take it somewhere if you have a printer that'll print front and back on pages. That's perfect. This is a little bit long. You can see this one's 14 pages for Chapter 4. So it's a little bit long, but it's really helpful for you to print this. So print that. And then this part is your Wiki Pages, which are your assignments, your paper assignments for the class. And again, just click on that PDF. It'll bring it up in a new window for you. And then you can push the print button. There's generally going to be a couple of pages for each lesson. And so this one's 4.2, and there's another one, there's 4.3, and there's page 2 of 4.3, and so on. And so you should have one for each lesson. They are also listed, of course, if we back out to Unit 1 here, they're also listed on here. So you can see Wiki Pages 4.1 rates, ratios, and proportions. You can see that that one's been assigned. And then the other thing that you should notice is that you have Hawk's lessons, and I'll get to that in just a minute. So if I'm in this Chapter 4, Assignments and Videos again, we've printed out the video guides. You only have to do that once. Printed out the Wiki Pages. That's all of the Wiki Pages for this chapter. And then you can start on 4.1, which I would start with the videos. And you can see I have 4 videos, and they go left to right across the screen. You can see the page numbers increasing there on the right-hand side. And so that's going to help you. If you click on one of those, you have to click on the name itself and then click Watch Video. It'll bring up a video. You can click this button to make it full screen. And you see my lovely video here. And this is the video guides that you should have printed. And you can take notes along with the videos, so it'll be just like you were in class paying attention to a lecture. The beauty of this is that you can click on it to pause so that you can catch up on your writing or think about something, or even just see me with a really funny look on my face. So when I'm finished, I'll close that video, or try to close that video, and then go back into that folder and watch the next video. And that way I can go through the entire lesson and see what I was supposed to do for this lesson. And when I've finished doing that, scrolling back down, I've done the videos folder, and then go to the next thing in the file, and that is the Wiki page 4.1. I should have already printed that Wiki page, so I just need to complete it as a worksheet, and then use your camera or a scanner to get the image from your worksheet into a PDF that you can upload. And to upload it, you just click on the name of the assignment, and it'll come up in an assignment form. This is the instructions on how to get it into a PDF format. and you can click Write Submission if you want, and then say, I did the whole thing, but I am not sure about number 3. You don't have to put a text submission, but you can if you're having problems on something, you want to ask me more about it. You can do that here. And then attach file, you just click Browse My Computer, and then you need to find where you have the PDF saved on your computer that you created from either your camera or your scanner. And then you would click on it and then open, pretend that's my assignment, and I bring up the PDF. Remember, I want PDF files only, please. And then you can, if you change your mind, it was the wrong file, you can click the Do Not Attach. You can add another file. Say I had a second page that I didn't get them both into the same PDF file, so I have 2 separate PDFs. You can add a second one like that. And again, if you change your mind, Do Not Attach, and it'll go away. The one that you have there, you can leave attached. You can add comments here as well, either place. The text submission that we saw right here, you can write comments, or you can put comments here. I'll see them either way. And then when you have everything how you want it, take one more double check and make sure that you attach the correct file, and then just click Submit. If you want to do a save draft because you couldn't find a file but you had part of the files attached, you can do Save Draft and it'll let you enter it again and submit. I'm going to click Cancel since it's not a real assignment. That gets you through part of what you have to do for 4.1.